it's Pippa again. I finally got it. I've been asking for this fat busting beauty machine for some time now, and today I finally have it. I've been hearing about some really good reviews. I can't wait to see how it helps with body contouring. Look, here is the main machine. It's kind of futuristic. I like it. And then the user menu. And then this probe. I've never seen anything like this before. It's kind of unique. And then the power cord. I'm going to test out on my thigh. Okay, so my thigh circumference is 19.5 inches. We'll see what happens after the treatment. Firstly, apply some gel on the skin. And then adjust the parameters. You can go that way or this way. And then adjust time. And then start. Look, that's the probe. And then brace the skin in circles to lift the treatment area like this. Wow, only seconds in, I've already felt the difference. Anyone who tried the ultrasonic fat blasting treatment should know that you would always feel the ringing in your ears. Because you know, high frequency ultrasound gives you tinnitus. Even though it doesn't affect your health, but honestly, it doesn't feel that good. But this 40K probe, oh my god, doesn't do any of that. Isn't it amazing? Okay, look, I don't feel a thing if I just let it rest on my skin. But I felt this slight vibration when I slide it like this. So it's kind of like I'm getting a massage. It feels great. And then brace the skin in circles to lift the treatment area. So when you're lifting, you can do it this way. Or you can do it this way. To really lift your skin like this. So now it's been 30 minutes, the light goes off, and this part of my skin feels really warm. It's like I just had a massage at home. Okay, now I think I should clean this probe. Alright, I think it's pretty clean now. Okay, the moment of truth. I'm down almost an inch after just 30 minutes. No wonder people love it so much. So you can actually get slimmer without workout or starving yourself to death. Perfect for lazy people like me. Give it a try if you're interested. Alright, that's all for today. If you have any questions, just leave a comment down below. I'm gonna get back to my body control